Have you ever wondered why a man suddenly comes back after weeks or even months of silence? Why does he return just when you've started moving on, healing, and focusing on yourself? The answer may surprise you. No contact isn't just about creating distance. It's about creating clarity. When you stop chasing, stop begging, and stop proving your worth, something powerful happens. You begin to reclaim your value, and often that's exactly when he starts noticing what he lost. One of the biggest reasons a man returns after no contact is because he finally experiences what life feels like without you in it. When you are constantly available, answering every message, checking in regularly, and always making an effort to maintain the connection, your presence can become something he expects rather than appreciates. This doesn't necessarily mean he doesn't care. It simply means that human nature often causes people to overlook the value of something that is always within reach. The moment communication stops, the routine changes. The good morning texts are gone. The conversations that filled quiet moments disappear. The emotional support he once received is no longer there. At first, he may enjoy the space and freedom. He may believe the separation doesn't affect him. But as days turn into weeks, reality begins to settle in. The absence becomes noticeable. He starts encountering reminders of you in everyday situations. A song, a restaurant, a favorite movie, or even a simple memory can trigger thoughts he wasn't expecting. The things that once seemed ordinary suddenly carry emotional weight because they are now connected to someone who is no longer present. What makes absence powerful is that it creates contrast. People rarely understand the true impact someone has on their lives until that person is no longer there. When you step back completely, he gains the opportunity to compare life with you to life without you. That comparison often reveals your value more clearly than any conversation ever could. Instead of being focused on your flaws or the reasons the relationship became difficult, he begins remembering your positive qualities. He recalls your kindness, your loyalty, your support, your laughter, and the comfort you brought into his life. The emotional gap left behind becomes impossible to ignore. In many cases, this realization is what motivates him to reach out, reconnect, and see if the connection that once existed can be restored. Another powerful reason men often return after no contact is because your silence creates a level of mystery they never expected. Most people are accustomed to predictable reactions after a breakup or separation. They expect emotional messages, repeated attempts to reconnect, or signs that the other person is still waiting around. When none of those things happen, it creates a situation they can't easily understand. At first, he may assume you'll eventually reach out. He may believe you'll send a text, react to his social media posts, or find some reason to start a conversation. When that doesn't happen, questions begin to form in his mind. He starts wondering what you're doing, how you're feeling, and whether you've moved on. The lack of information becomes more powerful than any message you could have sent. Human beings naturally seek answers when something feels unfinished. Silence leaves room for curiosity. Instead of knowing exactly where he stands with you, he is left trying to figure it out on his own. The more he thinks about it, the more attention he gives to the situation. What was once a relationship he felt confident about suddenly becomes uncertain. This uncertainty often causes him to replay past conversations and memories. He begins analyzing moments that he may have overlooked before. He wonders whether he made the right decision. He questions whether you still care or whether someone else has entered your life. These thoughts can become stronger over time because there is no direct communication to provide clarity. Your silence also demonstrates emotional strength. It shows that you are capable of controlling your emotions rather than acting on every impulse. That level of self-control can be surprisingly attractive. Instead of appearing desperate for attention, You appear focused, independent, and secure within yourself. As he notices that you are no longer chasing, explaining, or seeking validation, his curiosity continues to grow. In many cases, that curiosity becomes strong enough to make him break the silence and reach out first. One of the most significant changes that happens during no contact is the shift in the power dynamic. In many relationships, especially after a breakup or emotional distance, one person often ends up doing most of the chasing. They initiate conversations, seek reassurance, and make repeated efforts to keep the connection alive. When this pattern continues, the other person can become comfortable knowing that no matter what happens, the attention will always be there. The moment you stop chasing, everything begins to change. The constant messages disappear. The efforts to get a response come to an end. The emotional energy that was once directed toward him is now being invested in yourself. This creates a situation he may not have expected. Suddenly, he no longer has the certainty that you will always be available. People often value what they have to work for more than what is freely given. When your attention is no longer guaranteed, it becomes something he can no longer take for granted. The comfort of knowing he could reach out whenever he wanted and receive an immediate response starts to fade. For the first time, he may begin questioning whether he still has a place in your life. As the days pass, he notices that you are continuing without him. You're no longer waiting for his approval or relying on his attention to feel complete. This can be a powerful realization because it challenges the image he may have had of the relationship. Instead of being the center of your world, he sees that you are capable of creating happiness and fulfillment on your own. That independence often commands respect. Confidence is attractive because it signals strength and self-worth. When a man sees that you are no longer trying to convince him to stay, he may begin to reassess the situation. The person who once seemed easy to access now appears valuable and self-assured. This reversal can create a strong desire to reconnect, not because of pressure or manipulation, but because he begins to recognize the importance of someone who no longer depends on him for validation or happiness. Another reason men often return after a period of no contact is because they begin to notice your growth. Many people assume that after a breakup or separation, the other person will remain stuck in the same emotional place, constantly thinking about what went wrong and waiting for another chance. When they discover that the opposite is happening, it can completely change the way they see you. During no contact, something powerful occurs. Instead of spending all your energy trying to get his attention, you start investing that energy into yourself. You focus on your goals, your health, your career, your friendships, and your personal happiness. Little by little, you begin rebuilding parts of your life that may have been neglected while you were focused on the relationship. Growth creates confidence, and confidence is difficult to ignore. As you become more secure in who you are, your attitude changes. You carry yourself differently. You make decisions based on your own happiness rather than someone else's approval. This shift is often noticeable, even if there is no direct communication between the two of you. Whether he sees it through mutual friends, social media, or simply through changes in your behavior when your paths cross again, he starts realizing that you are no longer the same person he left behind. The sadness he expected to find has been replaced by strength. The uncertainty has been replaced by purpose. The dependence has been replaced by independence. People are naturally drawn to those who are progressing in life. Success, self-improvement, and emotional maturity create a sense of attraction that goes beyond physical appearance. When a man sees you thriving without him, it forces him to reconsider the assumptions he made. He may begin to wonder if he underestimated your value or failed to appreciate what you brought into his life. The more he witnesses your transformation, the more he recognizes that losing you may have been a bigger loss than he originally believed. Your ability to move forward, heal, and become a stronger version of yourself often becomes one of the strongest reasons he feels compelled to come back and reconnect. One of the most common reasons men return after no contact is because they eventually realize that the grass wasn't greener on the other side. In the beginning, leaving a relationship can sometimes feel exciting. There is a sense of freedom, new possibilities, and the belief that something better may be waiting ahead. When emotions are high, it's easy for someone to focus on what they think is missing rather than appreciating what they already have. At first, he may feel confident about his decision. He may believe that walking away was the right choice, and that finding happiness elsewhere will be easy. However, as time passes, reality often replaces fantasy. The new experiences that once seemed exciting begin to feel ordinary. The attention from other people may not provide the emotional connection he expected. What looked perfect from a distance starts revealing its flaws. This is when comparison naturally begins. Every new relationship, conversation, or experience becomes a reference point. Without even realizing it, he starts comparing those experiences to the connection he once shared with you. He remembers the comfort of being understood without having to explain everything. He remembers the trust that took time to build and the moments of genuine support that cannot be easily replaced. Many people discover that meaningful connections are rare. Physical attraction may be easy to find, but loyalty, understanding, emotional safety, and genuine care are much harder to replace. As he encounters relationships that lack those qualities, he starts appreciating what he once had. No contact gives him the space to see things clearly. Without constant communication influencing his emotions, he is forced to face his choices and their consequences. The distance allows him to reflect on what was truly valuable and what he may have taken for granted. Over time, the memories that remain are often the positive ones. He begins to recognize the stability, kindness, and support you brought into his life. The realization that what he left behind was more meaningful than what he found elsewhere can become a powerful motivation for him to reach out and attempt to rebuild the connection he once believed he could easily replace. Perhaps the most powerful reason men return after no contact is because they become attracted to the self-respect you display. When a relationship ends or communication suddenly stops, many people feel tempted to chase, plead, or repeatedly seek answers. While these reactions are understandable, they often communicate a willingness to sacrifice personal dignity for someone else's attention. No contact sends a completely different message. By choosing not to chase, you demonstrate that you value yourself enough to walk away from situations that do not serve you. You show that your happiness is not dependent on another person's decisions. Instead of spending your time trying to convince someone to recognize your worth, you begin recognizing it yourself. This shift is incredibly powerful because it changes the way others perceive you and, more importantly, the way you perceive yourself. Self-respect creates boundaries. It shows that you understand your value and are unwilling to settle for less than you deserve. When a man notices that you are no longer available whenever he chooses, no longer seeking validation, and no longer revolving your life around him, he begins to see you differently. The confidence that comes from self-respect often commands admiration because it reflects emotional strength and maturity. Many men expect that after a breakup, the other person will remain emotionally attached and waiting. When they discover that you have continued moving forward with grace and confidence, it can challenge those expectations. They see someone who is strong enough to let go, heal, and build a fulfilling life, regardless of what happens next. That level of independence is often far more attractive than any attempt to gain attention. What makes self-respect so compelling is that it cannot be faked. It is reflected in your actions, your choices, and the standards you set for yourself. As he observes your growth and confidence, he may begin to realize that the person he once had access to is no longer willing to accept less than she deserves. This realization often sparks a renewed appreciation for your value and can become a major reason he feels drawn to return and reconnect.